Hey guys, welcome back. I've been sick the past few days, so if I sound a little stuffy or sniffly, that's why. The past couple weeks, or pretty much ever since I went home for my bridal shower, I have been on a carb binge. And then as soon as that was done, I was like, I'm all in because I am about to be on a really intense wedding diet. I'm gonna be doing paleo for the month of November and the Tom Brady diet for the month of December, which is basically paleo on steroids. Pretty much the only meat I'm allowed to have is gonna be like wild caught fish and organic chicken. And it's gonna be a small amount of that. I'm gonna have to get my protein from other places. So yeah, it's gonna be intense. And I'm getting all my pasta fix in now. So this weekend, we made a large and in charge pot of one of my favorites, beef stroganoff. I think I've done an Instagram video on beef stroganoff before, but yeah, I was like, I need to do something a little bit more involved for you. So I'm gonna go get it out of the microwave. It's almost done, and then we will start eating. Yay! Seriously, one of my all-time favorite meals, death row status. And what I like to do when I reheat this is add a little bit more sour cream. It just like revives the creaminess of it. I brought two spoon fork situations. I have my small one, and then I just feel like this is gonna work better. I don't think I can shovel it in my mouth the way I want to with this. By the way, I made this in the Instant Pot and I have not perfected it. I had to change a few things like after it was done cooking. And so I'm not gonna give you the recipe quite yet, but I will update you and I will eat this again and it'll just be anticipation. Bon appetito. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The key is to cook the beef a little longer than you think you need to, because then it just like breaks up into the noodles and there's just like little bits of braised beef everywhere. And you can do it with any kind. I use stew beef typically. I actually bought a chuck roast and cut it into cubes, but you can buy stew beef that's already cut up, or you can buy short ribs or any beef that's like better off cooked a long period of time. So I don't really like using filet. You can use filet. I like having the little bits everywhere, that like slow cookedness. Hmm? Hmm? This is one of the things that my mom made growing up that I requested all the time. Definitely got food in my teeth. Oh my gosh. It's hot. As soon as I started eating, I was so cold before. Mm. 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 Guys, my wedding is only like 75 days away, maybe 76, something like that. Well, at least that's when I'm filming it. So it's actually gonna be way less time. It's gonna be 60 something days. Ah, we're almost done planning. There's like all the little details left now. Like I've gotta like make the custom menu cards. I'm having my friend Tammy make, she's gonna do calligraphy on stuff. I'm not gonna say what it is for like a seating chart, welcome signs. All the big stuff is done. I'm still working on my dress and I'll let you know what I mean by working on later on, but I feel like I can't really reveal that whole thing yet. More to come. There's gonna be like a whole series after the wedding on, this is the dress that I got and I was so happy and blah, 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 and then this is what we did. I'm already saying too much. We finalized our menu. So excited about that. Also not telling you about it yet though. Again, whole series will be dedicated to explaining all of this stuff. I need an assist. I'm like 5 years old. I've never used utensils before. Mmm. Mmm. This is like the definition of comfort food for me. Like mac and cheese is comfort food too, but this just feels so good. It's like one of those things too, if you're not making it in an Instant Pot, it's cooking for like hours in the oven. It makes your house smell so good. Anytime you're slow cooking meat, it's the most comforting thing. Like short ribs, and you get short ribs out at restaurants, it's like stick to your bones. Delicious. And this like slow cooked meat with noodles and the sour cream, it adds this nice tang that makes it feel not so heavy, even though it is like super rich at the same time. But like I can eat a mountain of it because of the sour cream. Oh. My belly just rumbled. So inevitably what happens every single time I eat this is I always end up with like a pile of meat on the side because I just like the bits that have been like falling apart. So that's why I said like I did not cook the meat long enough in the Instant Pot, so that's why I'm not giving you the recipe. It's still super tender though. I'm just like a noodle whore. Ah. It's okay though. I'm gonna leave all of this extra meat for Shane because I'm awesome like that. I like not even chewing anymore. It feels like I'm just swallowing my food. So good. Oh, sorry, Mom. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Love you guys. You guys want to say bye to Butters? I'm gonna go get him. Oh. Just the sweetest baby. Let me say bye-byes to all of the peoples. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. All right, bye, guys.